Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, January 16th. We're still going to look at inversions through the Monday timeframe, return of precipitation Monday night into Tuesday with the potential of wintry mix in the valleys. A weak Arctic moving in Tuesday timeframe. This active weather pattern remaining through the remainder of the week, and then a ridge of high pressure by this weekend. So again, we're looking at valley inversions remaining through tomorrow time frame with the potential of freezing fog across north central Idaho into northwest Montana and portions of west central. This freezing fog might cause some slight freezing on roadways, maybe some rime ice if it becomes dense enough across the region. And then how those inversions, if they break up or if they don't break up, might have an impact on the precipitation Monday night into Tuesday timeframe. The Missoula Valley has been really tough to break its inversion, same way with salmon. While the remainder of the area has been seeing some higher temperatures, but has this inversion scenario sets up, it might have a significant impact on what kind of precip we'll see come the Tuesday morning time frame. So here's a 12-hour chance of precipitation for Monday night, and then again on Tuesday we'll start seeing some light precipitation kind of moving into the area, mainly impacting portions of north central Idaho, and then Continental Divide around Glacier National Park down through the Bob Marshalls. That precipitation does enhance during the day on Tuesday, and there's going to be some enhancement across portions of western Montana due to that weak Arctic, but it appears that the hardest hit area is probably going to be the higher terrain along the Montana-Idaho border during this time frame. Tuesday morning, we are looking at the potential of pockets of freezing rain. That's what the first image is indicating, is the probability of freezing rain, with Missoula being around 19%, Kalispell being at 7%, Orofino at 10 to 20% range. And as you can see some pockets along the I-90 corridor, the Highway 12, and down into the Mission Mountains also, or Mission Valleys also. The next image is the probability that it's going to be snow. So it's a higher probability that we'll encounter snow during this event, but we can't fully rule out the potential of freezing rain, which is the first image. And then the third and last image is the probability of it being just rain itself. So it looks like it's going to be a more higher chance of being snow to a freezing rain event, while the higher terrain will remain all snow. But then we also have a weak Arctic that's going to be making its way into the region. Appears to be moving into kind of the Glacier National Park, Flathead Valley by mid-morning time frame, and bringing some significantly cooler air and breezy east winds to the region. There's some uncertainty on how far that cold air will move in the southern portion of coming over McDonald and Rogers Pass. Right now, feel like the air will make it out to Bonner, Greeno, Garrison Junction, and maybe Bearmouth. Pretty low confidence that Missoula will see this Arctic air, but just something to kind of look out for. But this Arctic air will actually enhance the production of precipitation. This can be seen in the 24-hour snowfall ending Tuesday evening. So this is capturing more of the Monday night through the day Tuesday snowfall amounts. And Kalispell, we're looking at about 1.6 inches, so about 1 to 2 inches in that realm. Missoula maybe up to an inch. Orofino will be kind of intriguing if that inversion holds strong and they stay cold. They might get a little bit higher snow amounts than the 0.4 indicated. But at the moment, looking at about 2 to 5 inches in the higher terrain along the Montana-Idaho border, but the best enhancement is going to be right around the Glacier National Park, Bob Marshalls, and the Mission Mountains, where upwards to about 8 inches of snow can be expected. This next image is a 72-hour snowfall accumulation Wednesday through Friday to kind of indicate how we're going to stay in this active weather pattern. All precipitation should change over to all snow during this time frame. The mountains, we're looking at about 6 to 12 inches of snow. Again, mainly along the Montana-Idaho border and the kind of the Bob Marshalls and Mission Mountains, while the valleys are looking more at a 1 to 3 inch range. Probably the little subtle system that's probably going to be bringing most of the precipitation is going to be kind of that late Thursday into Friday time frame is where the valleys will probably see the bulk of their precipitation or their snowfall during this time frame. Then we are looking at a fairly strong ridge of high pressure building over the western United States, keeping us fairly dry during this time frame. Temperatures, the mountains will probably see some warming, but the valleys, we are looking at inversions. So the possibility of fog, freezing fog, and low stratus will impact the region once again. The following are kind of just some 6-hour timestamp graphs showing when we think the best snowfall is going to occur, plus a temperature trend. This one's for Marias Pass to show that Tuesday morning appears to be the best time for snow, and that's when the Arctic air is going to start making its way through, and throughout the day, Tuesday into Wednesday, temperatures will be well below freezing during that time frame, and even below that 15-degree mark during the day on Tuesday. Then I got a time graph for lookout, kind of showing how the snow will be kind of prolonged through Tuesday through the end of the week time frame, and then the upper Lochsa around Powell area, just an indication. If you want to see more of these graphs, they can be found at weather.gov/MSO/winter briefing. Again, here just a wrap up. Monday, we are still looking at some freezing fog across the area. The biggest impacted area is going to be northwest Montana on Tuesday as that Arctic comes in. The potential of some freezing rain, but the snow and the wind associated with it. Lingering snow Wednesday and Tuesday, and then that more subtle feature bringing snow to the valleys on the Friday timeframe. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the office.